beautiful people. How's everyone doing today? So I have a few things to talk about, an announcement, a few things to show you. One thing I'm really excited about. All right, so let's start off with, I brought in the rest of my garden today. So let's take a look at that clip. It's very, very short. So I just pulled out my carrots. They're not too bad, I guess, in size. Not bad, not bad. And I have tons and tons of green onions here. The tops were drying out, so I did pull some of the tops off. But I think next time I go to Tim Hortons, I'm going to take this with me and see who would like some green onions from the garden. All right. Yeah, we're not really huge fans of green onions. So I think next year, like I have such a small garden, I think next year I'm just gonna plant a whole mess of carrots. We love carrots. Hey, so that's it. If anyone is watching who's local, which I know there's a few of you, and you want some of those green onions, let me know, and I guess you'll have to come over and get them. The carrots are for us, though. Because we don't have very many. Other than that, I'm going to take them to, like I said, Tim Hortons, and either tonight or tomorrow probably, to pass them out. Share. Okay. So I am waiting for 2 yarn orders. One is from Hobby, and the other one I kind of accidentally placed an order with Hirschner's. I don't know how that happened. My finger slipped. All right, so got those 2 on the way, not here yet. Also waiting for a swap from Scotland, and she's waiting for mine. I don't know. It's taken forever. Okay, so let's see. What else? Okay, November 1st on my channel, there is going to be a special video, so watch for that. November 1st. I don't know what day of the week that is, but yeah, November 1st. All right. Okay, so let me see. Next thing, thank you all for watching my older videos. I really, really appreciate that, and I've seen a couple of you commenting, and that is amazing. I really, really appreciate that. Back in some of those videos, I was blonde. Well, I had blonde streaks. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Should I go blonde again with blonde streaks, or should I just, have this hair color or darker? I don't know. It's lightened up again. Anywho, yeah, let me know what you think. Which one it looks better on me. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay, so the next thing is I'll show you some yarn that I actually bought from Wal-Mart. Oh man, I was looking for yarn for some things I want you to design. It's the beer. No, just kidding. I don't drink. But I want to design a couple of things, and some of the yarn that I ordered online I'll be using it for that, but I thought maybe I could start now designing it, maybe get a yarn that I can use. But I had grabbed a couple of yarns, and no, they're not going to work. So they may go in a giveaway. One of them might. Okay, so I've never bought this before. Yarn Inspirations Bernat Baby Velvet Stripes. And it is Snowy Mountain. It's got grays and whites. Snowy Mountain. I love how it looks. All right. Suggested hook is a 5mm, needles 4.5mm. It's a medium 4, 100% polyester. This is a 300-gram ball. There's 492 yards in here. Again, Bernat Baby Velvet Stripes. Yeah, I don't know why the label's slipping off. But yeah, I really like that colorway. It's very simple. Okay, so yeah. And the second one I bought, and I never, ever, ever buy wool or something, yarn that has wool in it. It's not because I'm allergic. It's because I don't need the extra heat. Some of you will understand that. And it does tickle me a little bit. So, but I went and bought something that has wool. This is the Scarfie. I bought the Scarfie yarn. This might be used for a tutorial, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, the Scarfie. What is the colorway, first of all, my darlings? Pink silver. I love the pink and the grays and blacks, and I don't think there's black in here, but there's dark gray, light gray, and pinks. I love that combination. I think it's very beautiful. So it's 150 grams, 312 yards, 78%, 78% acrylic, 22% wool. Bulky 5. Recommended hook is 6.5, which I don't have. So if I make something, I'll use a 7. Needles are 5.5. Machine wash cool, lay flat to dry. Told you the colorway. 1 ball makes a scarf. 1 ball makes a hat. 5 balls make a sweater. I like the way they do that. I really do. I like that. Did you see it, or did I have my thumb all over it? Yeah, so pink, silver is the color again. So 5 balls, this is 312 yards. So 5 balls of that. Like that's over 1,500 yards. Yeah, to make a sweater, a long sleeve sweater. That's what it shows in the picture. So this scarf they have on here looks really nice. Yeah. That's, I guess there's a pattern on the back of here for that. So that's my yarn. That's all I got. 2 yarns I've never bought before. You know what I noticed? It looks like a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of a very, very light pink, it almost looks like in there. And that one. And that one was called, again, Snowy Mountain. As long as there's no yellow in the snow. Okay. Okay, so oh, I crack myself up sometimes. All right. The Lion Brand website has over 8,000 free patterns. I have looked around on their website at patterns quite a while back. I probably have 8,000 patterns in my pile, you know, wanting to try. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is the yarn. And then you remember the other day I put on a video and I showed you this card, the lovely Kelly from Life of a Millwife. We were over at her place, myself and Karen Pruden from Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Makeup. And we made this card. It's a garage. It's, I forget what it's called, something gate, and then shadow box. And I absolutely love it. I loved it so much that our niece's wedding is coming up soon. And I was going to make her a card. And thank you, Kelly, because I made another shadow box card all by myself. I did watch the video, which I'll link below. You know, it's really, really not hard to make. But it took me 2 days, like several hours on yesterday to finish it up, several hours the day before to, you know, do everything I needed to do. But wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. So, do you want to see it? Okay, I'll show it to you. So this is the back. This is the paper I use because I think where they're getting married is going to be outside, and I think there's a river or something there, but I'm not sure. But I thought, okay, water, right? And Lisa LadybirD, hi. I made a little thing with, not sure it's focusing, but it says created by Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla on YouTube, and then there's a little ball of yarn and an owl. And this looks like a sticky note. It folds up, like flips up on one corner. Yeah, made a whole bunch of them. So now let's look at the front. These are tags. I got a Dollar Tree. Hubby said this looks like one of those garter things the bride wears around her leg. Like, no kidding. I never thought about that, but yeah. I don't know what colors their wedding is in, but whatever. So then we have the doors, or gates they're called. And then we just slip this off to open it up. So let me move a little closer. All right, so then what we do is, oh, there's something rattling in here because I have not connected it yet. Let me just take that out for now. All right, so then we open it up on this side, and there's their names. Got some bling here. And then I got best wishes on the bottom, and there's a flower, and then there they are. The groom was wearing a little flower there, so I just stuck another flower on top to make it pop. That flower is actually from nail art. You know, those little stickers you get to put on your nails? That's what that is. And then the bride had a white, just a white hairband, I guess. So I glitzed it up with nail art. And then for her dress, I covered the bottom, like from the waist down, with ribbon. It's like a transparent, sparkly ribbon. So that's what that is. I have the stars in the back because they get married under the stars. Oh, that's what it said on their invitation, but actually it's to get married in the daytime. I finally looked at the time. Oh my goodness, in the daytime. Okay, so I gotta be ready earlier than I thought to go. But yeah, so then the silver butterflies, just for fun. And then over here is an envelope. And then you open the envelope. And then I have a little star thing here, a little tab you pull out, and then there's a little note. And we're going to put their little gift in there. And then, I had some paper that the lovely Gail, Patricia's Dollar Tree hauls and more. So everyone I mentioned today will be in the description box below. She sent me a whole bunch of paper. Thank you, Gail. And I used some of this. It's like a letter. It's got some writing on it. And yes, I read it to make sure there wasn't anything inappropriate. Just kidding. And then I made the flap. And so once we get our gift in there, what I'm going to do is to close it. This is going on there. A limousine. Now this is a sticker I bought at Dollar Tree, and it already had the bling on the tires. But I think I'm gonna do that. Yes, I am. I'm gonna do like Kelly showed me, the glossy accents on the windows. Let's see. So they'll appear like real windows. Yes. So yeah, I'm not finished making this card yet, and it's already taken me 2 days. Yeah. So what do you guys think? What do all you crafters and non-crafters think? Yeah, so the blues represent the water. There's a little bit, look at those butterflies. They catch the colors because they're silver, shiny. And a little bit of pink. Like this paper is all from the same sheet. This actually has a little bit of pink in it. And this has blue and the silver. So the pink just represents the bride, the girl, right? And I printed these offline. I made them using an app and printed them, and I have them raised a little bit. So I think that's all. That's it for this card. But man, am I ever excited about it. I am really excited about it. Okay, so I think that's all I have to show you. Let's see my list. That's it. That is it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have not crocheted in 2 days because I've been working on this card. But oh my goodness, I had so much fun. I love it. I love it, love it. Love working on it as well as loving how it turned out. All right, so thank you everyone for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day, a wonderful evening, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.